How to sign into Sephora and check beauty insider points. Welcome back to our channel. In order to sign into Sephora and check beauty insider, you need to first of all install. So go to your app store and type in Sephora on the web address bar or address bar. After which you will then be taken to this very field. So here you just want to make sure to go ahead and install it. Now I'm going to use the browser version, so I'm just going to quickly use the Chrome. You could use any browser that you have. Type in Sephora and there you go. Tap onto the first link that pops up. Now in order to log in, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the login button. In this case as well, I am already logged in. All you need is just go to my store, or you will be able to find the profile at the very bottom and you could go ahead and log in. After which, in order to see the beauty insider point, you can see at the very top insider in the top right hand side corner there is 0 PTS. This means points. So if you tap onto it, you have your insider and your points and all that, your earned, your QR code, your barcode and all that, you have it. So, and this is basically how you could sign into Sephora and check your beauty insider. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.